Hey guys, let's look into a different method of copying a list. This time we'll look into how we can copy a list using slice notation. Now, when I'm talking about slice notation in Python, it allows you to create a subsequence of list elements from a sequence. Now, the sequence could be a list, a tuple, or a string by specifying the start index and an end index and an optional step size if you want. Yeah. So the start and the step index end index are very much important. Yes. Let's see what is the syntax to do this. The syntax for this is you need to have the start and the end value. Yes. So the syntax is start and and the step is optional, as I said. So let me put it in arrow brackets to just notify that it is optional. So the start is the index where the slice starts, end is the index where the slice end. That is exclusive. So if I specify the end index as 4, then it would be always 4 minus 1. We have seen this earlier in my video. Yeah, how indexing works. And step is the step size between elements. So if I want to jump 2 elements, then I'll add a step size. Yeah. Now we can copy a list using slice notation by specifying the entire range of indices of the original list. This effectively creates a new list with the same elements as the original list. Yeah. So any modification, now this you need to remember, because any modification made to the copy list will not affect the original list and vice versa, because they are separate objects in memory. Yeah. So this creates slice notation, creates a deep copy. Yeah. If you have seen my earlier video, which is related to shallow copy and deep copy, you will understand that this particular method of copying a list using slice notation, it creates a deep copy. So let's understand an example of slice notation to create a or to copy a list. Yeah. So suppose I have this original list, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm trying to create a list, a new list, but I'm giving a reference to my original list. And if you remember the indexing parameter, how you index it. So if I do not specify any start or end, it will take the entire list. So let's see. You can find this entire list is copied. Now suppose I want to slice it. Now, yeah, I will say I just need elements till third item. Yeah, let's see what happens. You can see, so 0th item, first, second, and third. Now third is exclusive, as I said, 3 minus 1, so it will be 2. Yeah, so 0, 1, first, and the second element would be copied to the new list. Yes, and as I said, it is a deep copy. So if I try to make any changes to my copied list, so if I make 0th item, I make it as 100, and again try to print the original and copied list. Let's see what is the output. You can find I have I have first created a new list by slicing. Then I modified and changed the 0th element to 100. Now the copied element has changed, but the original element is as it is. So there is no change in the original element after making or modifying changes in the copied list. So this is an example of deep copy wherein any changes modified in the new list is never modified in the original list. Yeah. So please be clear on the concept of shallow copy and deep copy in my previous video. So copying a list using slice notation will create a deep copy list, as we have seen in this example. Hope you like this videos. Do like or share this video with your friends who want to learn Python. Do comment on this video if you have any suggestions on the examples or the concepts being taught, or do subscribe to my channel to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.